Hello, in this video, I will show you how to enable Hibernate mode on Windows 11. This procedure requires very little of your time. So, here's what you need to do. The Windows button, then type in Control Panel and select it from the search result. And in the following window, select System and Security. Then, on the System and Security screen, click on Change the Power buttons do. Under Power Options, you might see that the options are grayed out, so what you have to do is click on the Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, you can just check the Hibernate box. Lastly, click on Save Changes. You will now see that when you go to the Windows button, then click on the Power icon, the Hibernate option will show up, and that's it. Your computer has now the ability to hibernate. If you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.